To prepare for a pump setup, it's important to have the technical data sheet of the fluid being used. This is required for accurate calibration, as the system relies on the fluid's density. The setup process is consistent across all pump models. However, some models are designed to handle multiple fluids and are equipped with a valve manifold. If your unit is a single fluid system, it will not include a valve manifold, so you can disregard any steps that reference opening or closing colored valves. Select language. Choose Start Setup. Connect the pump to Wi-Fi. Tap the plus button to begin scanning. The pump is now scanning for networks. Select the network with the strongest signal. Enter the network code. The pump is now connected to the network. Tap Next to link the pump to your user account. Tap the button next to Account. Enter the email for your user account, the one you received when the account was created. Now tap the button next to Password. Now enter the PIN code from the email you received. Tap the Login button. The pump is now connecting to your account. Tap Next. Select the unit of measurement. Creating products on the pump. Enter your product number. Select product type. Choose a variant of the selected product type. Optional, add a product description. Please note, do not add the oil viscosity into the product description as it will show up twice on the screen. For an example, if you write 5W30, it will show up just like this. Instead, you can use a descriptive word such as long life. Select the size of the container you are pumping from. Tap the density field to enter the specific density. You can find this value in the oil's datasheet, available on the oil manufacturer's website. Verify all the information on the summary screen and tap Save if all the data is correct. Do not enter 0.850, always enter 850. Do not enter 85, it needs to be 850. Tap Next to enter the current quantity in the container. Enter the actual quantity in the drum or container. Place the container in the cart and connect the suction hose. If using 30-liter refill containers, fill the container now. Select the gray number 1 button to assign this product to slot number 1. When facing the cart, number 1, gray, top right. Number 2, purple, top center. Number 3, blue, top left. Number 4, green, bottom right. Number 5, red, bottom center. Number 6, yellow, bottom left. Choose whether to add more products. If yes, repeat the process. If no, proceed to calibrate the pump. The first step is to prime the pump with the selected product. Always start with suction channel 1, 2, and so on. Follow the instructions on the screen. Make sure the suction hose is connected to the product. Open valve 1. Make sure all other valves are closed. Fill system, step 2 of 4. Place outlet in a waste container. Open valve on outlet. Fill system, step 3 of 4. Press fill and the pump will now run up to 1 minute. Fill system, step 4 of 4. Close valve on outlet. Press next. Speed control, step 1 of 3. Place outlet in a container that is being pumped from. Open the outlet valve. Speed control, step 2 of 3. Press next and the pump will run for approximately 30 to 60 seconds. Important, close outlet valve immediately after pumping. System calibration, step 1 of 10. If you have already set up the product's density, you will see this screen. If you have not, you will see this screen. If you have not entered the product's density, enter it here on this screen. System calibration, step 2 of 10. Important, check outlet valve is closed. Power on scale and set to 0. Note, set scale to grams. System calibration, step 3 of 10. Place container on scale. Press next to enter weight. System calibration, step 4 of 10. Take the container off the scale. Press next. System calibration, step 5 of 10. Hold outlet over container. Open the outlet valve. Press next and the pump will run up to 4 minutes. The pump is now running. Important. Close outlet valve immediately after pumping. System calibration, step 6 of 10. Important. Check outlet valve is closed. Power on scale and set to 0. System calibration, step 7 of 10. Place container on scale. Press next to enter weight. Enter weight. System calibration, step 8 of 10. Leave the container on the scale. Reset the scale. System calibration, step 9 of 10. Hold the outlet over the container. Open the outlet valve. Press next and the pump will now pump out 1 liter of fluid. Important. Close outlet valve immediately after pumping. System calibration, step 10 of 10. Remove outlet. Is the weight on the scale between the numbers stated on the screen? Press yes or no. If no, you will need to restart this calibration process. Once all the products are calibrated, press the finish button to save the data. The pump will now restart. This may take about 30 seconds. Do not turn off the pump. Otherwise, you will have to restart the whole process over again.